Today we are not doing a Dajivan, it is Dajiban. And I will tell you why it is called Dajiban in Japan. Because, yeah, stay until the end of the video, it will take long. So today we have the Dodge van, okay. I am into vans, okay, particularly the Dodge van. I don't know why, what is it with me that I am, in love with this van. Since I can remember, it's been like almost more than 10 to 12 years now that I like this van. All right, so this is the Dodge Ram van, officially the B series. Okay, this was a range of full-sized vans produced for the Dodge division of the Chrysler Corporation from 1971 to 2003. Despite being sold over 3 generations, guys, 3 generations, the overall platform and the exterior sheet metal was unchanged. How crazy is that for a van or a car that is being produced for 32 years and these things are unchanged? The Ram van was offered with numerous engines, from the 3.7 liter slant 6 to the 5.9 liter Magnum V8. Now that's a crazy thing, right? Okay, this one comes from the HW van series. This is Dodge van. This is stating the HW racing livery. Let's open it up and let's get it. Ooh, no, I thought I was just, yeah, I almost destroyed the car. One of my favorite castings, and if I'm not being careful, then what am I being? Yeah, subscribe for more. I've seen that most of you just love the videos but don't appreciate it by subscribing. Okay, right, so let me take this out of the blister. Okay, straight off the bat, we'll look at the base. Dodge van, okay, plastic base, the metal body. This is a matte finish paint, gorgeous matte finish paint. Wow, dude, this looks so cool. I'm so glad that I got it. Very much happy. So you have an interesting livery on this one, that is a racing livery. All right, you see that Tanchan, how do you spell that? JDC I performance, Tanchan customs, and Hotwheels 03 badging, JLU. All right, so this is the livery on this one. The matte black finish is giving that whole crazy vibe for me, right? So this casting is based on the third and the final generation of Dodge vans. Okay. And you know the fun fact, these vans were not sold in Japan. Yeah, they were not officially sold in Japan, and many of them were imported, and a cult following developed there, even spawning a racing scene. Okay, so this is a cool casting. So look at this headlamps, very nicely detailed headlamps, but I wish they had this grill detailing on this one. It would look so badass, literally so badass. Okay, but we have to get something in. So you can see this toe hook, it's here on this one, and this is how they have given it here. You have the tinted glass overall, like teal or blue tinted. This same color of the font is used for the tint here. No rare detailings, but the embossed detailing is absolutely gorgeous. Like, they have done a pretty decent job, or more than decent job actually. They have done a great job. For 179, you will definitely have to miss out on something. But the matte finish on this car casting looks amazing. And at the top, if we see, there is some interesting things going on. I don't know how many of you know this, but that is a full-sized cart. All right, that is a full-sized cart for racing, and it also has full set of tires there. You only have 2 seats in the front, and everything inside is chromed out. Isn't that cool? Even the front screen has these wiper details, So this looks very unique and so much awesome. I wish this fan was in India, and I think everybody would have got it for the panoramic sunroof or the whole moonroof kind of thing that we have here. It would be a very great addition to the Indian automobile industry, right? But anyhow, it is not. So the wheels on this one are the LW wheels, okay, with the chrome color. So let's do a quick roll test. Enough with the facts and all. Yeah, this is also designed by Ryu Asada, and why not? Even this was a casting or car or automobile marvel that Japanese went crazy for. They had fitted a Magnum engine, 5.8 liter, in this Dodge. And see the amount of craziness that's going on around the world for this one casting, right? It rolls fine. It's not that top-notch rolling, but the color on this one is phenomenal. I love the matte black finish. I only have 2 or 3 other cars like with matte black finish, not many. Okay, but yeah, this is a very fine casting. Loved it, really loved it. As I told you, I'm not the guy who will settle for the hype of something. I will look deeper down in the whole box or the whole, I don't know what you call it, like a cluster, whole group, whatever it is there. I will look deeply and closely into the group, and I'll see and I'll pick out the cars that are very unique. And also, I've been so long a car enthusiast that I know what I want right now. At least I think I do. Most of the time even I'm confused a little bit, but when I see such castings like this one, I don't give a second thought and I just get it. So yeah, that's it from this video. Hope you liked it, and like this video if you liked it. I don't know but do subscribe to the channel. It helps me a lot, and it helps me way more than you think, and it also makes me excited to get you these awesome videos right on your feed, right? And yeah, I have been talking for so long, my jaw is started to paining. That was crappy English because it is necessary in this channel, man. Anything can happen in this channel, don't worry about that. So yeah, stay tuned for the next video if you want to see unpredictable things happening in this channel. I'll see you guys in the next one. Until then, do take very good care of yourself. Happy life, happy collecting. Go, man, get it done. Whatever it is, everything's gonna fall right in place for you. Alright, I'll see you guys in the next one.